So, as you already know, times are changing, technology is changing, and the world is changing in a sense. So, it's time that, we start to get with the program. Would you like to test drive our Magic Content Creator for 2 weeks for free? But guess what? You also get to make 80% commission off of that 2 week trial. It's an all in one $25 digital business. All you're paying is $25. But guess what? You're making 80% off of that. But you're still test driving our Magic Content Creator. So take a look to see exactly what you get. So learn how you can get a free 2 week test drive of our new Magic AI Content Creator. So check it out to see what's actually on the inside. So as you can see, this is what you will get, but you also get more. You get so much training, so much value, a community that's willing to definitely help you and won't leave you, by the wayside. But guess what? Our Magic Content Machine, tell it whatever you want. Trust and believe. You